Our man's going to be in the hole. He's going to fire the rocket. We're going to cut. We're going to have some soldiers running across. We'll cut. That's one take. Second take.
We're going to get ready to roll cameras right after that because we're not going to have a light change, and then we're going to blow it, which means nobody moves around. As soon as this guy is like going like that, you're blowing it.
No explosion, just bazooka.
This is just the foreground bazooka. That's the only thing that happens in this shot. That and the stuntman running across. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, running!
Do it. Do it. Okay. Cut.
Cut!
All right, reload and go hot.
Okay, we're going to reload. No stuntman. We're going for the big blow now. We're reloading the bazooka and we go. This will be all cameras working. You ready? All cameras! 3, 2, 1, bazooka! Thanks, guys.
We have 4 stuntmen on wires. We have 1 dummy on a wire. In action, they're all going to get yanked into the air as the 4 stunt guys hang. They never come back down, so they will be swinging back into the shot.
No problem. Sorry, I didn't make it.
Now, it's very important when the bomb goes, you got to have a physical, you got to just feel the concussion, okay?
3, 2, 1, go! Yeah. Yes, get loose. Well, move. You know, Jeff, don't throw that arm up so you're stiff. Nobody gets stiff, okay?
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Your heads, guys. Watch your heads, everyone. Stunts, okay? Stunts.
Okay.
Hang on, Andy.
Is that a cut? Cut! Cut, cut, cut.
Everybody stay back. Stay back.
Stay back. Let him get him.
Perfect. Stay back.
Okay. Play this.
Did the dummy come out the IMO
Yes.
at all?
Yes.
See that again? It does.
Play this
Down
one.
over there.
Oh, wait a minute, here, this one here, I'm sorry. That's the top, on my own top of the stairs.
So, we love that we're moving on.
Yeah.